Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, wireless module, wireless WAN module, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, left display panel hinge, and thermal board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and retention tape that secure it to the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel and retention tape on the display enclosure.